Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Try It Tuesday. And behind me, I got the Italian restaurant TM Pizza here in Casa, Grande, and it got locations and a location in Coolidge. So before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm at the Italian restaurant and I'm going to show you guys the menu. I'm starting to feel the lasagna that comes with the salad and some bread. But I'm going to get you guys to take a look at the menu. They got two locations, one here in Casa Grande and one in Coolidge. So, good luck. So you also see they have a few little specials that you can choose from. I have some different stuff. Okay, so I just got my salad. I'm going to show you guys that. So, let's see how it tastes. I'm not a fan of raw onions, so I'm definitely going to be taking those off. So we got some olive, salad, some cherry tomatoes and everything like that. I'm going to give it a try. I got ranch dressing. It's actually very good. Or it might be that I have not eaten all day. It's almost 1 o'clock. I told y'all. Eyes is hungry. So right now, I just want you guys to take a look. This is the restaurant inside and everything like that going on. Like I said, I came in a little bit later past their lunch hours. Everything's really cool, calm, and collected. And this is the inside of it. Right next to Angry Crab. Oh, okay. That's it for now. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is a homemade lasagna they make here on the premises, and like I said, I'm gonna give it a try. It is hot, so I'm gonna try not to burn myself. And okay, so what I do like is that they actually put real ground beef in it, and you can really taste it. It tastes like grandma's probably out of the Italian kitchen, so I mean, so far so good. Okay guys, now I'm gonna give the bread a try. Pretty big, buttery. That's actually homemade bread with yeast and everything. Pleasant surprise. So before I go, I did get a cannoli, and I wanted to share it with you guys before I get on the road. So check out that cannoli. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna probably eat it with some coffee. So overall, the experience was good. Great homemade food. Definitely will make you full. That's for sure. And great customer service. I don't have any complaints about this one. This was actually my very first time trying this in Casa Grande. And I was like, let me go ahead and share some news of some Italian food because I haven't done that yet. So until the next episode, I'll see you again.